We want the killing to be thrilling tonight. We're not here to fuck around, you understand? We're here to see sound dead. That's right. I'm getting a little hyper right now because I've been waiting. I like to run things on time. So we're gonna lose a half an hour. Paid your fucking money. You're supposed to get your money's worth tonight, right? Okay, so they gotta bring it up to even higher level tonight. Tonight, we have 3 quality sounds. These are world-class international sounds. LP International has Puma here, flying in all the way from Germany. He's the owner of the sound. If you look at what's going on the stage, there's a selector named Killa D that's here as well. And rumors went out that this man was no longer with the sound. All of a sudden, him flying, he's back with LP tonight. So LP will have Polyphamous, Killa, and Puma tonight. That means them take this clash very, very serious.
Level, you pack the prophet, hold on. Poly left a good son, King Klepto. Stitch said Poly can't left here tonight, you know. Stitch there the doorway from Poly, cause him left a good son and him this it. Him blood clot wicked. Tell blood clot Poly. Poly left King Klepto. Tell Poly. Tell him.
How can you?
Mr. Poly shouldn't this stitch. All the way King Klepto son. Boss a block for Klepto. Boss a block. Are you ready now, Toronto?
Well, that's why we're joining it into the ginger frequency, because Jarvis picking up your wave in his there.
Toronto! Are you ready now?
Here I come, and here I am. Jara's son will come to kill Jumper. Oh, here I come, and here I am.
I don't saw KILLAMANJARO play. All outside us Jaro play put 2 and 9 blood clot here, me see it. Yo, Killa the right up!
Yeah, Killa, you don't know Ryan Shatter, this is the whole work. Zacharias, love to the nation. Goes out, hey, boom back stick. Yeah, this is LP sound. Booyah! And when we kill that sound, we lock them down a pit.
Massive, me attack the thing them clear. Palace sell out blood clot Canada and everybody know it. Him couldn't wear super fresh when him a player, King Klepto. So him run the blood clot LP and book it there to pussy that. Tell him!
Super fresh and original.
Me a Canada defender.
Polyphamous, you know you get this program wrong. Sell out the maple leaf and go join Uncle Sam. Remember that we never ride west with no man. It was you or you. Song set. Super fresh and different Toronto City. My army brother, so we don't. Bye bye. Kilimanjaro make the food them die. Here I know. Jaro. No respect, disrespect. In an aspect, some sound don't know who they might deal with. Them stop and check. Disrespect. What's it? Quiet! Yo, when they think I was over and out, super fresh I get the ready to. Think I was over and out, well I did the plate. And when we come fish a coat, well again, they think I was over and out, super fresh I get the ready to.
Melody! Me have a new blood clot name for you, you little short pussy wall you.
See don't well again then, Humpy Dumpy goes out up on the wall. The super fresh and him fall.
Me never blood clot sell out Canada, me still live here. LP International now reside in Canada. I put the blood clot father Puma got the immigration and get the landed for LP. Killa D!
So I say LP International. So you hear me man? Killa D Puma. Hear me now with Dan Junior. Killa. Hear me the Ryan Shatter. Polyphamous. So here a place with it. Yeah, so Polyphamous. She say LP. The whole of them are fight against you. So them never want you better yourself and better yourself in a life. Remember say you no fuck money in a suck pussy. You are what? Global gallus and you are really out from the street and you're not about for nothing. That's why you say LP to the fucking world.
Can I say East and Second Seas again? All sound boy I go when I follow them. LP International understand me. East, enough I talk about boss. Boss what? Left some of them a wait.
Me say me a go use a Jaro DJ and lock him off in ya. You think so, Joe? Just watch.
I'm in an argument to be in the place. Okay. Oh, Lord. All foot, go on the cell. Hey, yeah, young boy time.
Piper Jaro!
Stand digging.
Piper Jaro!
So, hey, you, Jaro, let me tell you this bumbuck. You 9 M&M to swell up your. But you a gangster for life.
I don't know,
Big up Super Fresh in them yard. He said I play Jaro DJ and kill Jaro. He play Beanie Man. Yes, Beanie Man is one of Jaro DJ. Rate him same way. But if a man a pay him for call Jaro name and him a get him money, nothing wrong with that. Yeah, some man loyal while some don't. Don't. Which boy can get Super Cat for call my Jaro name? Quiet! The people listen me. Remember this. It's never KILLAMANJARO sound. Must be any man, you know. Chupa just highlight him to the world in the clash world. See? But Jaro was Super Cat. Jaro was Ninja Man. Play Ninja Man.
Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All man of persons is dance of kill sound session who have nothing to do or say. Come before his present magistrate KILLAMANJARO and say that blood clot because Freddy I got killed sitting now. Read him. I want to help you and the little one when they Super Fresh. Them are afterbirth. Read him up. How the fuck you know wait pan? You know you say me hunted to kill. You know think we come from prison for pet blood clot people. How do them KILLAMANJARO? How do them pussy? Yeah, we are so much. How do them fool boy? Oh, they say hard to be away from LP that we have to kill. And don't champion life or slowly sing boy. Say Super Fresh, you'll be home in the grave where you belong. So Jaro send this a don't play to no bumbo clown. Me kill the sound in the morning, kill the sound in the evening, kill the sound at the Sabbath. LP dead. Kill them when we lonely and we kill them when we weary and we kill them when we feel. Super Fresh, you is a dead blood clot and a dead bumbo clot. Dead pussy clot and a dead ras.